A robot is a machine that can be programmed to perform a variety of tasks automatically, often with some degree of autonomy. Robots can be designed to perform tasks in a wide range of fields, from manufacturing to healthcare to space exploration. They can be controlled remotely or operate autonomously, and can range in size from tiny nanobots to massive industrial machines. Most robots have some combination of sensors, actuators, and programming that allow them to interact with the environment and perform tasks. Sensors can include things like cameras, microphones, or touch sensors, which allow the robot to detect and respond to stimuli in the environment. Actuators, such as motors or hydraulic systems, allow the robot to move and manipulate objects. And programming, which can range from simple rule-based algorithms to complex artificial intelligence systems, provides instructions for the robot to follow. Robots have the potential to perform tasks more quickly, accurately, and efficiently than humans, making them valuable tools in a variety of industries. They can also be used in situations where it may be too dangerous or impractical for humans to perform certain tasks, such as exploring space or working in hazardous environments. The first modern robot was created by George Devil in 1954, and it was called the Unimate. Devil, an American inventor and engineer, co-founded a company called Unimation with Joseph Engelberger to manufacture the Unimate, which was the first industrial robot. The Unimate was designed to perform repetitive tasks on a factory assembly line, such as welding and spray painting. It consisted of a robotic arm with 6 degrees of freedom, which allowed it to move and manipulate objects in a variety of ways. The robot was controlled by a computer, which could be programmed to perform specific tasks. Devil was inspired to create the Unimate after seeing a mechanical arm used to transfer radioactive materials at a plant in Connecticut. He realized that a similar arm could be used to perform tasks in a factory setting, and began working on the concept in the 1940s. The first Unimate was installed at a General Motors plant in New Jersey in 1961, and the technology quickly caught on in the manufacturing industry. Today, robots are used in a wide range of industries and applications, from assembling cars to performing surgery. The exact number of robots deployed worldwide is difficult to estimate, but according to the International Federation of Robotics, IFR, the top 5 countries in terms of robot density, robots per 10,000 workers, in 2020 were Singapore, 1,189 robots per 10,000 workers. South Korea, 919 robots per 10,000 workers. Japan, 396 robots per 10,000 workers. Germany, 346 robots per 10,000 workers. Sweden, 274 robots per 10,000 workers. These countries are leaders in the adoption and development of robotics technology, with many industries relying heavily on automation to improve efficiency and productivity. However, the use of robots is growing rapidly in many other countries as well, as the technology becomes more advanced and affordable. The biggest and smallest robot can vary depending on the specific type and purpose of the robot. Here are some examples of the biggest and smallest robots in different categories. Largest industrial robot. The largest industrial robot is the KUKA KR1000 Titan, which has a maximum payload of 1,000 kilograms and a reach of 3.2 meters. Smallest industrial robot. The smallest industrial robot is the Epson N2, which has a footprint of just 80 mm x 140 mm and weighs only 2.5 kilograms. Largest humanoid robot. The largest humanoid robot is the Gundam statue in Yokohama, Japan, which stands at 18 meters tall and weighs 25 tons. Smallest humanoid robot. The smallest humanoid robot is the Kirobo Mini, which stands at just 10 centimeters tall and is designed to be a companion robot. Largest drone robot. The largest drone robot is the Megacopter, which has a diameter of 9 meters and is powered by 16 electric motors. Smallest drone robot. The smallest drone robot is the RoboBee, which is only 3.5 centimeters long and weighs just 80 milligrams. It's worth noting that there are many different types of robots, and some may not fit neatly into these categories. However, these examples give a sense of the wide range of sizes that robots can come in. Here are some interesting facts about robots. The word robot comes from the Czech word robota, which means forced labor or drudgery. The first recorded mention of a robot-like machine was in ancient Greece, where a mathematician named Archytas created a mechanical bird that was powered by steam. The first programmable robot was invented in 1954 by George Devil, and it was called the Unimate. In 2017, a robot named Sophia became the first robot to be granted citizenship by a country, Saudi Arabia. The Mars rover Curiosity, which has been exploring the surface of Mars since 2012, is controlled by a team of engineers and scientists on Earth. The first robot vacuum cleaner was introduced in 1996 by a company called Electrolux. Robots are used in a variety of industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, and entertainment. Some robots, such as the Da Vinci surgical system, are designed to be operated by human surgeons to perform minimally invasive surgeries. The world's fastest humanoid robot, developed by the University of Tokyo, can run at a speed of 11 miles per hour. The Roomba robot vacuum cleaner has collected over 2,000 patents and is one of the most popular consumer robots in the world. The world's largest robot, according to Guinness World Records, is the MLX-01, a Japanese experimental maglev train that measures 28 meters long. The term android is used to describe a robot that resembles a human. The word gynoid is sometimes used to describe a robot that resembles a female human. The famous character R2-D2 from the Star Wars franchise is often referred to as a robot, but technically he is a droid, which is short for android. The first robot-assisted surgery was performed in 1985, using a robot called the Puma 560. Some robots, such as the Asimo robot developed by Honda, are designed to walk on two legs like a human. The RoboCup is an international robotics competition in which teams of robots compete in soccer matches. Some robots are designed to mimic the movements of animals, such as the robotic cheetah developed by Boston Dynamics. In 2015, a robot named HitchBot attempted to hitchhike across Canada, relying on the kindness of strangers to get from place to place. Unfortunately, the robot was vandalized and destroyed before completing its journey. The word telerobotics refers to the use of robots to perform tasks in remote or hazardous environments, such as deep-sea exploration or space exploration. In 2019, a robot named Fedor, short for Final Experimental Demonstration Object Research, was sent to the International Space Station to assist with tasks such as docking and spacewalks. The impact of robots on the workforce. As robots become more sophisticated and capable, they may begin to take on jobs traditionally held by humans. This raises questions about the potential impact on employment and the economy, and how we can prepare for these changes. The role of robots in healthcare. Robots have the potential to revolutionize healthcare in a variety of ways, from performing surgeries to assisting with physical therapy. This topic could explore the benefits and challenges of incorporating robots into healthcare settings. Ethics and safety in robot design. As robots become more advanced, it's important to consider the ethical and safety implications of their design. This could include topics like ensuring robots are programmed to follow ethical principles, designing robots with safety features to prevent accidents, and considering the impact of robots on society as a whole. The potential for robots in space exploration. Robots have already played a critical role in space exploration, from rovers on Mars to probes exploring the outer reaches of our solar system. This topic could explore how robots might continue to advance space exploration in the future, including potential missions to other planets or asteroids. The impact of robots on social interaction. As robots become more advanced and human-like, they may play an increasingly important role in social interactions. This topic could explore the potential benefits and drawbacks of robots as social companions, including their potential to provide emotional support and companionship, but also the risk of replacing human relationships. It is unlikely that robots will make their own country in the future, as robots are machines that are designed and programmed to perform specific tasks, and they do not possess consciousness or the ability to create societies. While there are some advanced robots that can learn and adapt to their environment, they are still ultimately controlled by humans and do not have the capacity to make independent decisions or form their own governments. However, robots will continue to play an increasingly important role in shaping the future of our society. As technology advances, robots and other forms of artificial intelligence will become more capable of performing complex tasks, such as driving cars, diagnosing diseases, and assisting with scientific research. This could have significant implications for the workforce, as robots may replace human workers in some industries, but could also create new opportunities for jobs in fields such as robotics engineering and programming. Overall, while robots will continue to play a major role in shaping the future of our society,